Hello everyone, welcome back to TechShams. Want to clear your recent emojis on your iPhone? If your emojis keyboard is filled with your recently used emojis and you want to reset it back to the default list, don't worry. In this video, I will show you two simple methods that can help. Make sure you watch until the end because the second method is the one that completely resets your recent emojis. So let's get started. The method one is remove the emoji keyboard. First, open the setting app. Scroll down and tap General, then tap Keyboard. Now tap Keyboards. Here you will see all the keyboards installed on your iPhone. Find the emoji keyboard, swipe left on it and tap Delete or tap Edit in the top right corner and remove it from the list. After that, tap on Add Keyboard and search for emoji and add it back. Keep in mind that this method may not completely clear your recently used emojis, so let's move on to the next method. The method 2 is reset the keyboard dictionary. Go back to the main setting page. Here tap General, scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm. This will reset your keyboard dictionary, including your frequently used emojis, and they will return to the default list. After that, open any app with the keyboard and tap the emoji icon, then tap the recent emoji section. You should now see the default emojis instead of your previous recent ones. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to TechChamps, and I will see you in the next video.